Harley nuts. No. Harley mount. Nuts and bolts.
What?
Harley seat mount nut. Today we're talking about seat mount nut for a Harley. Last weekend, mine broke. Here's part of it. The nut on the bottom part of the fender, that's in the middle of the highway somewhere. So I had to order a new one. Ordered off Dennis Kirk. It was like $3. Took 2 days to get here, but it's got the C-clip. And today we're gonna put it on there. Check it out. We're actually gonna be using zip ties to help us out to get this nut up and through the fender. And if you own a Harley, you know zip ties and Harleys are synonymous. Zip tie, zip tie, zip tie. Now, I'm not sponsored by Zip Tie or Zip Ties, but if they're watching, I'll pimp myself out to you. So I'm going to be using two 11-inch zip ties here to fish the nut up through the fender. Make sure that the saddlebag's off. That'll make it a lot easier. But before we do that, we got to make sure that we pop off the plastic C-clip here, not lose that. That's what's going to hold the nut above the fender here. And we're going to take one of the zip ties, slide it down through the hole between the tire and the fender. Some pop out here through the bottom. And before I do that, if you could like and subscribe to the channel, that'd be great. Take the nut, slide it up on a zip tie, and we're going to attach the other zip tie. Just a couple clicks. Then we're going to pull it up through. Then we're going to take the plastic C-clip, push it on there, nuts in there. Then we're going to grab a pair of cutters. Snip that. Ta-da, all done. Now we can put our seat back on. Thanks for watching.